It's 4:30 a.m. now, and booked my Grab for Changi because it's 4 a.m. in the morning. There's no public transport. So unfortunately, for intertidal walks, you gotta check the tides and you can't really choose what time you want to go because tides waiting for nobody. So 5 a.m. is already pretty late to be going today because the low tide's at like 5:30. So gotta do what you gotta do. Hopefully the other people aren't late. So alright, my Grab's here now.
I like to use my illusion, imagine the nights with the one who got away.
It is 7 a.m. I've just finished my intertidal walk. I don't know if I should grab back or take bus all the way home, but it's like a 2-hour. What the fuck is this? Oh my god, look at that pimple. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go home now. Oh, anyway, it wasn't a pimple, it's like sand. I am gonna have breakfast first and then I'm gonna go for yoga because I haven't worked out in like 6 months, so I kind of like need to get back into it. Yeah, so I'm traveling now from Changi village, which is literally the end of Singapore, to Buona Vista. So it's like a 2-hour journey. So I'm like on the bus now, and like these journeys are really long. Like it's really like a 2-hour journey back home, and like my favorite spot on the bus is like sitting right in front because I get to see everything. So it's like a TV, you know. I get bar crochet. I'm living the life right now, okay? So outside. I'm home and I got my Shopee order, so I'm gonna just take a quick shower and then have lunch. Yeah.
You got parang, you know? What is
Now I am just replying some emails and like settling dates and stuff for like the intertidal this month and next month, and like just putting in some orders. I always feel kind of like serious or like, but yeah. I've also got this fellowship thing I'm doing now, so I've got a seminar tonight that I need to prepare for. And yeah, you know, I've graduated, but really, do you ever graduate? Oh my god, my phone is sliding down right now. Okay, bye. So you guys like my laptop? I'm really proud of like my sticker collection because like these two are from my friend Charlotte, who does like tattooing, and she's a really good artist for like marine stuff. This is my friend got it from Shopee. Cute. And this is from Keyholo Club. Love Keyholo Club. Odyssey board, skateboards, some brandy thing. And these are like free shit I got for some diving store. Nice, right? Oh my god, like I spent so much work on it because I'm like, I gotta plan it meticulously. I'm really proud of it. Okay, see you guys later. diet. I need to like make some coffee or some shit. Like I've been up since like 4 or 5 a.m. so I'm like exhausted. It's like 4 p.m. now. Oh, so I gotta make coffee.
Couldn't join us and Lisa couldn't join us yesterday.
Alright, back to work. So this is the current situation. Watching some Netflix. So when I usually make my necklaces, it takes me I can like sit here for like 8 full hours straight, and I usually just like watch Netflix. I watch something stimulating like a documentary, or like I listen to like a podcast or something, because like, you know, doing this for that long, sitting on this chair, it takes fucking forever. So I don't want to like not do anything. So yeah, I'm gonna try to like finish as many orders as I can today, and then I'll mail them out like late at night. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing for the next few hours.
The questions about what could you do if, what would you recommend in resilience? So it could be things like working with consumers upstream to reduce.
Alright, so it's midnight. I'm gonna sleep now. See you in 5 hours.